Real Estate Activity Report (REAR) for sale and purchase of freehold real estate in the United Arab Emirates. What is REAR? REAR is a new report applicable for real estate agents and brokers notified by the Ministry of Economy. It is an extension to the Article 44 Clause 3 of Cabinet Decision No. 10 of 2019 concerning the implementation of Anti-Money Decree Law No. 20 of 2018. Real Estate Transaction Report (REAR) must be submitted via Financial Intelligence Units (FIU) goAML platform with effect from July 1, 2022. What is freehold real estate? Freehold real estate are the ones where the owner has an absolute ownership and control over the constructed property, as well as land on which it is constructed, without any time limit. What are virtual assets? According to Financial Action Task Force, a virtual asset is a digital representation of value that can be digitally traded or transferred, and can be used for payment or investment purposes. Virtual assets do not include digital representations of fiat currencies, securities, and other financial assets that are already covered elsewhere in the FATF recommendations. What are the activities falling under REAR? REAR must be submitted for purchase and sale of freehold real estate in UAE if the mode of payment is either cash or virtual asset. Then the REAR report must be submitted. Conditions for applicability of REAR are below. 1. Transaction of an amount equal to or above AED 55,000 in cash in a single transaction or several transactions. 2. Transaction of any amount using virtual asset. 3. Transaction of any amount using proceeds from conversion of virtual assets. What are the documents to be collected as part of REAR? 1. Identification documents such as Emirates ID or passport copy. 2. Receipts, invoices, contracts and purchase and sale agreement. 3. If the buyer or seller are legal persons, identification documents must include the following: trade license or articles of association, register of beneficial owners, Emirates ID or passport copy for all beneficial owners, Emirates ID or passport copy for all shareholders partners. Period of maintenance. These records must be maintained for a minimum period of 5 years. Where to submit? goAML Platform of Financial Intelligence Unit FIU. The following reports to be submitted by real estate agents and brokers in addition to REAR: Suspicious Transaction Report (STR), Suspicious Activity Report (SAR), Funds Freeze Report (FFR), Partial Name Match Report (PNMR), High Risk Country Report (HRC), High Risk Country Activity Report (HRCA). Summary. To sum up, real estate agents and brokers operating in freehold real estate in United Arab Emirates must submit the Real Estate Activity Report (REAR) in the goAML Platform of Financial Intelligence Unit from July 1, 2022, and the documents must be maintained for 5 years. The transactions using cash as well as virtual assets fall under the requirements of REAR. Thank you for watching our video Real Estate Activity Report. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. If you have any queries related to AML and REAR, please feel free to talk to us.